You wake up in the morning and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Spring break is over, so now we're gonna have another video every day. Let's look at our date today. Today's date is Monday. Monday, it's a new month. It's April now. Today is Monday, April 6th. Can you find the 6th? There it is. Today is Monday, April 6th. Now, can you help me find it on your paper? First, let's find Monday. This is what Monday looks like. Do you see another day that says Monday? There it is. That says Monday. Now, can you see a day on your paper that says 6? Where is the number 6? That's right. There it is, number 6. Today is Monday, April 6th. And since it's Monday, we're gonna focus on doing some math today. And today we're gonna use catalogs that we're all getting delivered to our house. Let me show you. These are the catalogs. I got catalogs from Ace and from Vons, from Sprouts, which is my favorite. I don't even know where this is from Ralph's, from Wholesome Choice, from Stater Brothers, and even from Ralph's again. Look at all of these. Now, I don't have a printer in my house, which is very inconvenient. But if you have one, you can print it out and then cut and paste from your catalogs. If you don't, we can just cut and paste and then fill out another piece of paper. I'll show you. Here's our activity for today. We're looking for an apple, carrots, some canned foods, and some kind of cookies. It's okay if we all choose different coupons as long as they're an apple, carrots, canned foods, and cookies. Let's start by looking for an apple. This is a lot of catalogs to choose from, so I'm only gonna use one right now. That will make it easier. Do you remember what I'm looking for? It was a fruit. What kind of fruit am I looking for? That's right, I need to find an apple. Do you see any apples? I don't see any apples here. I don't see any apples anywhere. I'll try a new catalog. Maybe Sprouts has some apples. Let's see. Oh, I see apples. Can you find the apples? There they are, apples. I'm gonna cut out this picture of apples. I did it. I used my scissors to cut out the picture of the apples. Look, it even says apples. And Honeycrisps are my favorite. Since I don't have a printer, I'm going to copy this paper onto my paper. Your mom or dad or brother or sister can help you with this. There we go. I wrote down apple and I glued down my picture. Now I'm going to write how much it cost. Do you see how much it costs? That's right, it's 98 cents. This sign means dollars, but this costs $0. It only costs coins. It costs 98 coins. $0.98. Now let's look at our next item. We already found apples. What do we need next? That's right. Next, we need to find some carrots. Can you help me find some carrots? Stop me if you see carrots. Oh, there are the carrots. Can you point to them? Carrots. I found them. Remember, next, we have to cut them out. Here we go. I cut out my carrots and I wrote down my word carrots. Remember, if you have a printer, you can just print out the paper going to Google Slides or Google Classroom with the link that I sent. Now, we have to figure out how much the carrots cost. This is a little confusing because there's two different numbers. Which number has a dollar sign in front of it? Remember, the dollar sign looks like this. Which number has a dollar sign in front of it? That one. So what number is this? That's right, it's a number 1. Let's write down number 1. Carrots cost $1. $1. Now we know how much the apples cost and the carrots cost. Let's see what we need next. Next, we need some canned food. Let's look for canned food together. Do you see any canned food? No, that's silly. This is Ace Hardware. Ace does not sell food. They sell things to help you around your house. Does that look like food? No, that's a lawnmower. What about in this catalog? Do you see any canned food? Yeah, I see canned food. There's lots of different choices. I'm going to choose Chef Boyardee because I know Charlie likes Chef Boyardee. Next, I cut out the picture of my canned food, my Chef Boyardee. I wrote down my canned food and I put down my picture. Now I have to find how much it costs. Remember, we're looking for the dollar sign. Which number has a dollar sign? This has a dollar sign. Looks a little different, but that's a dollar sign. So what number is that? Right, it's $5. And when there's no numbers after it, we know that there's no coins. Remember, 0 means no coins. Do you remember what the last food we're looking for is? I don't remember. Let's look at our paper together. There it is. There's our last food item. I bet you'll remember this because these taste really good. Last, we're looking for cookies. You can choose whatever cookies you find in the catalog. Let's see which ones I can find. Look at that. I already found some delicious cookies. I love Oreo cookies, and this is a 10-pack. I'm gonna choose these. I wrote down the name, and I put down my picture. Now, I need to write down how much it costs. This one doesn't have a dollar sign, but there's only one price. Do you see the price? The price is $8.49. Oh, 9 cents. $8.49. They don't have a decimal, but that's because they made the number smaller. Can you write down the number that you find? Good job, you helped me finish the catalog. Now can you try at home? This next portion of the video is if you want to practice some more math and counting skills. You can do it now or you could do it later. Together, we found our 4 items. We found apples, carrots, canned food, and cookies. We also figured out how much they cost. Apples cost the least. They have the smallest number. Remember, we look at the first number first, the whole number. The first number is 0. The first number here is 1. 0 is smaller than 1. So this is less. Let's look at which one is less on this. 1 is the whole number. The whole number here is 5. Let's compare. Here, it only cost $1. But for the soup, it costs $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is less? Which one is smaller? $1 is smaller. Good job. Now let's look at which one has more. Which one costs more money? Remember, we look at the whole number. The number before the period. Our soups, canned food, cost us $5. But the cookies cost us $8. Which one is more? Which one has more money? This one costs more. Let me show you. Now our canned food costs $5 and our cookies cost $8. Let's see which one costs more. Oh, the cookies cost more. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 for the cookies. But the canned food only cost $5. Which one costs more? That's right. The cookies cost more. Good job. Now, if you did that, that's awesome. You did a really good job with today's work. But if you have time and you want to practice some more, you can use this to practice dollar up method. Let's do it together. Our apples only cost 98 cents. This is one that's a little tricky for us to practice. First, we need $0. I have $0. Now I need one more dollar. I have to put one more dollar at the end because I have coins. Remember, the numbers mean that we have coins, so we have to add one more dollar. Let's do this one together. First, we start with our whole number, 8. This one's a big one. Let's count 8 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Then, one more dollar. I did it. I used the dollar up method. Now the next ones are a little bit more tricky because we don't need to use the dollar up method. Let me show you. This is what we were working on in class. When it has zeros, we don't need to do dollar up. We just have to count the big number. Let's try with this one. Let's count $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. No dollar up because they're zeros. Let's do one more. How much money do we need? Remember, look at this number. That's right. We need $1. $1. And since there's no coins, $1 enough. Thank you for helping me. Now can you try doing it by yourself at home? Maybe your mom or dad or brother and sister can help you. If you do it, send me a picture. Thank you. See you next week.